What fraction of lime juice of 50% strength should be removed and replaced with lime juice of 20% strength so that the mixture thus obtained can be of 45% strength? Now, let this be the retained juice and this part be the replaced juice. Okay. Now, always remember, when some part of a mixture is removed, the percentage strength of the remaining or the retained mixture remains the same as previous. So even if some quantity of lime juice is removed, the strength of the retained lime juice is still 50%. So let's write down 50 over here. Now, the strength of the replaced lime juice is only 20%. So let's write it down over here. And when these two gets mixed up, the strength of the mixture becomes 45. So now we can cross subtract and get the ratio of quantities of retained with replaced. So 45 minus 20, you have 25, and 50 minus 45, you have 5. Now, this is the ratio of quantities of retained to replaced. So we can reduce it to 5 is to 1 as well. So from the ratio, we can see that how much is replaced. So replaced will be 1 upon 5 plus 1. That is 1/6 part of the total quantity is replaced. So answer will be option C.